Key point 2. You can't make a first impression twice. Think of your favorite movie characters and how the producers introduced them. Most likely, they were powerful presentations you will remember for a long time. Iron Man, James Bond, and Daenerys Targaryen captured the viewer's attention in the first episode they appeared and held it for years. Although life is not a movie, and dragons or explosions do not usually accompany you, it is possible to make an equally vivid first impression. There is even a whole strategy for it. The first 3 or 4 seconds of a new acquaintance are precious because, during them, the brain subconsciously reads the aura and decides whether the person will feel safe and comfortable around you. Use them to the fullest to get the most out of them by applying the open beam high lean scheme. Open your heart and body. Crossed arms or legs make people think you are not ready to be honest or talk, which may be far from the truth. So, an open posture is much better for meeting people. Eye and beam. Eye contact and a friendly smile can instantly win a person's sympathy, so don't be overly serious. But it does not work for all cultures. In some Asian countries, it is rude to look into the eyes. However, in the Western world, it is acceptable and encouraged. Hi. After the visual, it's time for the verbal. Repeat the other person's name and introduce yourself. This way, you will remember them better and show interest in them. Nice to meet you, Michael. I'm Sarah. Sounds better than just a name. Lean. Want to show affection without words? Nod slightly or lean forward. Most people do this unconsciously when listening to something interesting, but you can use this tip purposefully. But don't go overboard to the point of looking like a dashboard bobblehead toy. These tricks make the conversation a solid foundation for a long-lasting relationship, so don't hesitate to try them. Remember that you have all the qualities you need to charm people, so this method is not a magic pill, but an assistant to help unlock your potential. Learn the cultural traditions of your partner to have a trump card in conversation.